Imagine yourself in this 2009 Ford F-150 Lariat. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: color-coded mirrors, folding rear seats, power steering, side impact door beams, power door locks, 3-point rear seat belts, and power windows. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.